What was that, Jude?
That's landing, Mom.
Oh, crash landing?
Yeah.
Feeding baby Yaya?
Yeah, you ready, Bob?
Oh, good job. You're such a good brother. Try it again. Wait till his hands are out of his mouth.
Ah, he don't want it.
Uh-oh, he doesn't want it. Okay, he might be done.
He's stuck it.
Oh, good job. You got it in his mouth. See if he wants any more.
Ow!
Uh-oh. Opie, you're a messy boy now. Yeah.
He's taking it, Mom. He's taking it, Mom. I can see, Mom.
Good job, Jared.